Hi everyone, welcome to the new project Same Paper collaboration. This is a collab between Stmpgrl, who is Paige, and me, and we post on the last day of every month, and the idea is to work through a 12 by 12 paper pad, and I still have a long ways to go. I am using this Love You a Latte, which I've had from 2017 when I first started paper crafting. This is one of the first ones. In fact, it's a 2016 paper pad, it says. That's by Craftsmith. And out of the 48 sheets, I think I started with like 44. I'm down to 30-ish, because I have some large pieces. So anyway, that's what I'm still using and probably will be for another 2 or 3 months. Anyway, some of the other things I used, the Rise and Shine, we had done these on a live and I had some extras, and I did use 3 of the extras that were stamped out of this reversible Celebration by Stampin' Up stamp set. And if you want that, you would have to place an order today, because today is the last day of Celebration. And this goes with the Cup of Cheer dies that were in the last year's holiday catalog that are still on the web, at least through today. I did also use the Sweet Stamp Shop, just the stamps actually, even though there was die. I used the little house, the coffee mug, the coffee, and the cups, but I didn't actually use any of the dies. I fussy cut this. This I didn't need to cut. This I stamped, and you'll see when I get to it. And this I stamped, and you'll see when I get to it. And the more and the please I also used. And they're by sweetstampshop.com. I did 3 pocket letters and 1 memory decks. And for the memory decks, I used one of these 2 Heidi swap dies. I finished up this whole sticker pack, hadn't been used at all, which had been gifted to me by Very Crafty Bonet. Gosh, probably in 2017 for my index card challenge, or maybe 18. And this one I had only used a couple out of from Jot, and you'll see that. And I finished those. I did use a couple Bow Bunny blings. I used 1 or 2 or 3 of these Want to Scrap bling. I don't know where I got those. I used a little bit more of these paper tape stickers from Dollar Tree. I used 3 or 4 little Martha Stewart Crafts bows. I think I had gotten them from Jen Evers. I used about 3 or 4 Doodlebug Designs mini doilies in Cupcake. Color is called Cupcake. I did use some of these light pink pearls, which I really like because it has these really teeny weeny little ones, and medium and big. And these are Dollar Tree. And I used a little bit of this strip here, which is Crafter Square, which is Dollar Tree. Don't remember buying that, but I'm sure I did. Oh, and I also used this Love Nicole washi tape. It's from the Morning Brew collection. I had gotten this, I'm sure, at A.C. Moore, yeah, in 2018, and I have a matching paper pad, but I'm not using that now because that's a 8x8. Anyway, I did use most of these, all but the yellow one, I think. Yep, pretty sure. Okay, so let me show you my 3 pocket letters. This is the first one I did. So I used paper. Now, I didn't do anything with the backs yet. So what I did is I cut a whole bunch of 2.5 by 3.5 inch pieces, which is the size of these. And then I just mixed and matched in the 3 pocket letters, because I knew I wanted to do 3 pocket letters. Here's one of the Stampin' Up Rise and Shine cups that we made a couple weeks ago. This is actually the paper, and then I put washi on the top and bottom, and one of the little pink bows. Here is where I stamped that Sweet Stamp Shop, and here as well, and here as well. And I used some ribbon, which was Michael's off a card celebrated. This belongs on here. This does not. I just have that wrapped around. And part of a doily, the other part of which is over here. Sorry for the glare. Let me see if I can turn this down a little bit. It might help a little bit. This one is actually a, what do you call those things? It's a cut apart, and I just put it on so it could be a little journaling card, so it can be reused in a journal or something. And some of the washi. This is just an extra strip of paper, and I stamped that coffee, and I colored that. I stamped it in Early Espresso by Stampin' Up, and I colored it in Blushing Bride, but it was the that's petal pink. It was the Stmpgrl marker because it has a thinner nib, and then 2 of those light pink Jot Dollar Tree pearls. This is that Dollar Tree jewel border stickers, and I colored this in, also stamped in Early Espresso, in bronze, dark crumb cake, I believe. I want to say Mango Melody for the lights, light pool party. This is actually pool party also, but it's from the Stmpgrl markers, and look at the difference there. I wanted it to look like glass, but no, well. And then this is Blushing Bride, also from the Stmpgrl markers. Over here, this is Blushing Bride. This is Whisper White. I used the layering ovals by Stampin' Up. I used them also down here. These are the layering ovals. The number might have changed in the book now, because they're now just called Layering Ovals Dies, not Layering Ovals Framelits, but I've had them since before it was a demonstrator. And down here I used an extra piece of paper and another Dollar Tree ribbon, which I really think goes so well with this coffee theme. It's sort of a pinky beige. I can't explain it exactly. Here I had already cut in and had it in my stash a Starburst, using the Starburst punch by Stampin' Up, and then I had these stickers which had one-dimensional on the back of them. The donuts, they're not really stickers on the back, they just had a dimensional, and I took that off and glued it down, and then I had one little extra piece of flour because I put it on wrong, so I stuck that in the middle of that from the Jewel Bling. Here I used washi, and this is a sticker out of one of the 2 sticker packs I used. So that's the first one. The second one, I didn't do stamping, and I used all stickers and washi mostly. So this is from the washi, a sticker from Dollar Tree, washi. I don't know where I got these actually. They're felt. Excuse me while I take a sip of my coffee. So sorry. The green is washi. It says time for coffee, good morning. I think this says gorgeous. Oh, hello. It says hello, gorgeous. It kind of got cut off. So, yeah. And then I used that because this sticker had more green in it. Here I used a doily again, the whole doily, and just cut the edges off. And then these are out of the same sticker pack as this, and this. This is all I did is put that down in there because it's so big. This one I did pretty much the same way as this one, but it's on the mermaidy looking paper with gold in it, and this washi has gold in it, and it says coffee, wake up, good morning. And this is another one of the Rise and Shine cups that we had done. One of the little bows from Martha Stewart, and another heart from the sticker pack. Down here I again have washi on top and bottom, and that one says, I don't know, has coffee all over it and things. It's got a coffee pot and different cups and beans, but I can't read that right now. Here I use another piece of the Michaels trim and then just 3 stickers. And here I mirrored the bling from up at the top because this had blue in the bling washi, and just put a sticker on. So that's the second one. And the third one, this was a different sticker pack I was using up, and I don't know what I just did with all that stuff. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I put it back here. It's this one. Sort of more, I want to say psychedelic colors, but you know, I don't know how to explain, like a mixed media colors almost. Whereas this one was these more very dimensional black and blue and green stickers. I don't know how to explain it. These are varying colors. So this one, I just put Michael's trim down, put the teapot on, and wanted it to look like it was flowing down into this cup, because that's sort of how they had it on the sticker sheet. And it says tea time and coffee. So this is not just coffee, it's tea as well. Here's a tea bag, a heart from that other sticker pack, and a little donut on top, not donut, pretzel on top, doilies. I cut one doily in two and draped it over the donut paper. Here again is like that mermaidy looking paper, another one of the Rise and Shine cups we did a couple weeks ago, washi, and a pink bow. Funny story, I originally put that on upside down and had to take it off and put it right side up, which I didn't realize till I put it all together. I'm like, oh wait, I can't read that. Yeah. Here's a doily, a 1 3/8 inch scallop circle out of Whisper White with the little cupcake out of the same pack as this. And then these are, I think they're Bow Bunny ones. Yes, they are. Those are Bow Bunny. This is a scrap of paper I used a Starburst punch on to put on top of here, and then just put stickers from that pack. Over here, this word coffee was on there. It was the last sticker on that pack I didn't know what to do with, so I put it sideways on here, and then I put the washi sideways. And then the steam is supposed to be coming up from these cups, which I don't know. And then down here, washi again. And then this is 2 cups with tea. This is washi. It says be happy, do not worry, although the donut got sort of cut off. And the donut. On donut paper. And lastly, there's this other blue washi. I forget what it says. It says Coffee Lover. Boy, my eyes. I don't know. Coffee Lover, drink cool coffee. Ugh. Coffee O'Clock. Coffee O'Clock. Yeah, that's what the one I couldn't read. So I put that across the bottom here. This is another piece of the Dollar Tree washi strips, and then the cups are the last of that sticker pack. So those are the 3. I was getting lazy after I stamped and colored in on here, so I just used stickers. Plus I'm on a mission to use up stickers, right? Anyway, and then the last thing I did, I had 1 sticker left out of this pack, and I wanted to use it, so I made a memory dex card, because this is too wide unless you would put it across something. Oh, I forgot to get these out. I think I got these from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I'm not sure which. These are from Sticko from Walmart, these donuts, and I had some in blue. This is the washi. Now this bling, I don't remember where it's from, but I've been using it up with a different collection, and had some more, so I used some on here. Here's that Coffee O'Clock washi across the top, and a Martha Stewart bow, and all that on top a pink doily, which it's kind of cool because the sparkly blue washi shows through the holes in the doily. It looks pretty. And I might end up putting some blue stickles across this coffee cup, because I'm just not really feeling that right there. I think it needs a little something. So I think I'm going to bring out the blue again and put it on the lid of the coffee cup. Or, yeah, I think I'll put it on the lid. Anyway, that's my memory dex card. So that's what I have for this month's projects. I have 30 roughly sheets left, and some little scraps and journaling cards. Alright guys, that's enough. I hope you have a lovely week ahead, and stay positive as best you can. I've been forgetting to do the positivity video, so I'm sorry for that. I will try and catch it up, and I'll end up having to do like 3 weeks worth, but that will probably be Thursday, actually. All right. Have a wonderful day. Please come back on the 30th of next month and see how much progress I'm making with my Love You a Latte 12x12 paper pad. Talk to you soon, guys. Hugs, love, and peace.